Hello, Just a Good Eurobricks back with another superheroes review, and this is set number 6858, Catwoman Catcycle Chase, and it's recommended for ages 5 to 12, and it was released in 2012, and you can find it in just about any store that sells Legos now. It has 89 pieces, 2 minifigures, and it retails for around 13 bucks. This is part of the superhero DC Universe Batman line, and it's a pretty nice set. Let's get on to the box. The box for this set is pretty well designed, and it captures the set pretty well. The side of this box has this little DC Universe character part, and the back labels all the play features and in the build itself. Now on to the instruction booklet. The instruction booklet is pretty small with only 24 building pages, and it has the little win kit on the back, which is pretty annoying. And there's some advertisement 2012 January Ultra Build DC Universe figures, and an advertisement for Lego Batman 2. And there's a comic, and it's pretty short, so you could read it yourself, even though there's nothing to read. I think they need to put actual words in here, maybe like translate it or something, but yeah. Of course, Catwoman's cycle is pretty cool, as it comes with a whip, and it's just the same design as the 2006 version, except it doesn't have any stickers like that version. So now on to the verdict. Our first figure of this set is Batman, and he's a pretty cool figure, but this version is kind of disappointing as it doesn't come with the cape. And he has some front printing, and that's his face, which is used just to put the mask over. And on the back, there's this jetpack thing, and I'll take it off just to show the back printing. And he also has a back face printing right there, which is like his angry face, and some back torso printing. And the Batarang, which was used in the 2006 to 2008 sets. The jetpack is pretty cool. I like how they use the Prince of Persia claw. And there's that nice round flat tile stud. And this, I don't even know what it's called. It's just like bat wings, basically. Now on to Catwoman. Catwoman's a pretty cool figure too, but she's basically the 2006 version, except her mask I think is a little bit different. Her suit is pretty cool too. And she comes with this little diamond, which is a nice touch. Her face, without her mask, looks like this, unless you use her back face, which looks like that, which is a pretty nice licensed face, and she has some back printing, but it's not that detailed. That's it for the minifigures. Now on to the build. The set itself is pretty quaint, and it's just a scene from Gotham City, I guess you could say, where there's some boxes and some newspapers and stuff like that. There's no stickers, thankfully. And the play function of the set is basically, I think, knocking this down by doing that. It's not that grand of a play function, and I was a little bit disappointed by that, but there's some cool newspapers which are printed, and there's a whole discussion going on on Eurobricks about what these newspapers say and stuff like that. There's also a mini, I guess, trash can, I'm not sure, a newspaper stand. It looks pretty cool. And then some boxes which are just meant to be knocked over. There's 5 of them, and 2 of them are big. Overall, this is a pretty nice set. I think the price point is pretty good, and the figures are nice too. Overall, I rate this set an average 7 out of 10, which isn't too good, but it's not that bad. So please rate, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you next review. Bye.